Thursday, January 11th. Sorry, I missed last night. I was fortunate enough to serve as a lay Eucharistic minister for the induction of our new priest, and that was quite a celebratory and fabulous service, and the new priest is pretty awesome. So I apologize, I had to leave early to go do that. We have added some yarns to the sale, so I just wanted to give you a heads up on that before the weekend. This is the Snowflake, which is a self-striper and a tweed, big, fat, cozy. Make a hat, make a cute cowl out of 2. I think there are 3 colorways. We're taking this to 50% off, so it's going to be half of 27, which will be $13.50. So there you go. Also, we are adding this from last summer. This is Prisma from Araucania. It's a fabulous linen blend, linen, cotton, and viscose, all in a gradient. So awesome. Can make all kinds of beautiful sweaters. We have depth in most colors. This is just 2 of the colors that we have. It's going to be 25% off of $24. 25% off of $24, which, do the math, that's $4 and $5, and anyway, it'll be better sale, okay? Not 24. It'll be less than that. And last but not least, the Jody Long is $32, and it will be 25% off $32. I have 5 skeins of the gray, which is more than enough to make a sweater. The rest are pretty much in single skeins. However, we have several colors, and it makes a great hat or smaller project. However, there is 437 yards in 1 skein. That doesn't happen very often. So there you go. It's my teaser for the weekend. We are leaving today for the mountains. I think it's going to be frigid. Hopefully we'll get back on Sunday and not be iced out or iced in. But anyway, if that's the case, I won't see Monday. But otherwise, have a beautiful, wonderful, happy weekend. It looks like I forgot my earrings. I better go upstairs and put them on. All right, that's it. Have a great weekend.